Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Royal Knight skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're just gonna draw in the visor area first. So it's just gonna be two brackets, and then we're just gonna come straight across. Okay, and then from here we can draw in the rest. So it's a pretty cool looking helmet. So we're just gonna go up. Just go up on the side, and then we're gonna come down back to where the visor is. Okay, and then now we're gonna come out. And then right in the middle here, you just kind of come down, you can make a little mark. And then we're just gonna go out and connect to the corner. Okay, and then from here we're gonna go up and finish up the top part. So we're just gonna go up, curve it back down. Okay, and then for some detail here in the middle, we can just kind of come up. And then we're gonna slant down on both sides. And then we're gonna draw a slight curve. And then we're just gonna go down all the way to the corner. And then from here, we're just gonna give this line some thickness here. So this one's easy. We're just gonna come in, just kind of go all the way around. Even on the visor right here, just gonna come across. Okay, and then for the visor itself, we're gonna give this some thickness too. So we're just gonna come a line around it, go around, and then we're just gonna go straight up. So we're going around this line. This gets a little tight up there. Okay, and then from here we can add in some details. In the middle we can draw in one line, and then it's just got a little bit of detail here, so I'm just gonna draw a couple of curves. Okay, and then we're gonna continue this middle line, and then on the bottom line as well, we're just gonna give this some thickness. So we're just adding details, make it look cool. Okay, and then let's finish up the face. So we can actually just continue this line, just come down. And then on the inside here, we're just gonna curve it. And then we're just gonna give this line, just give it a little bit of thickness as well. All right, so that's gonna be the head. So let's move on to the neck. So the neck, we're just gonna come down. And then the collar here, we're just gonna go around. Now we're gonna go out on the shoulder, so we're just gonna come straight across. And then we're gonna come down straight. And then we're gonna pinch it in to the waist. Come back out slightly. And we're gonna close it off, and again, this is gonna be her belt. So she only had one belt, so we're just gonna give one section. And for some details, let's just finish that off. Here's the buckle, and then two loops. Okay, so let's go back up here on the collar. Just give this some thickness as well. And then for the belt, come down and just curve slightly out. Come down, curve out. And to finish off the chest area, we're gonna continue this curve right here. Just kind of curve inward slightly. Okay, and then let's see, she's got some armor here. So just come down slightly, make a little dot, and then we're just gonna go straight out. And then here as well, we make a little dot, and then we're just gonna come out. Okay, and then let's see, we can draw a line here and just some detail. Just draw two more lines, one on each side. And then for the details around the neck, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna draw one in the middle, and there's just two more on each side. Alright, so now let's draw her arms. So it's gonna be on her side. Her hand's gonna be on her side. Shoulder, armpit, come out, line, elbow, and then now we're gonna draw her hand here, fist, so we'll come down, here's her thumb, and then here's the glove, little detail, and then now we just kind of connect this. So from here, just curve, connect, and then on the elbow here, just kind of curve it down all the way to the glove. Okay, so the other side is going to be the same, except it's got a little bit more detail. It's the armpit, slant down and then cross, elbow, and then here is same thing here. And we can draw in the little thumb again, and here's part of the glove, and again we're just gonna connect this. So from here, curve, on this part, curve all the way down, and then for the extra detail, she's got a strap here and then another band here. So I'm gonna draw 2 lines here, and then here's the little panel. Okay, so let's move on to the bottom. So for her legs, in the middle, come down, draw a little line, and then we continue this curve down and just curve it down and curve, and then we're gonna close that off, draw a square, and then inside the square we're gonna draw a rectangle, and then from here we're just gonna connect corner to corner. So let's move on to the other leg, and this one doesn't have a knee pad, so it's gonna come down, curve, and then for her knee we're just gonna draw like a bracket. Okay, and then we're gonna come down a little bit more and just kind of give it a little bit of waviness to it because it's being tucked into a boot. Okay, and then let's go back to the other side. So this one's got some armor. Come down, you can close it off, and then we're gonna pinch it in, close it off, and then we're gonna draw the dome shape for the shoe. Close, and a little bit of detail on the sole, just adding some lines. And then for this one, she's got 2 straps here, so 1, 2, and then we're gonna draw in 2 lines straight down for the armor. Okay, so for the other side, it's just gonna be a boot. Pinch in, close, dome shape, come out more on this side, close it, and same detail. And then for the laces, yeah, just draw 2 loops, and then I'm just gonna draw some lines across. Okay, so let's move back up here. We need to finish off some details here. So we can draw, let's draw in the straps first. So just got 2 here, so 1, 2, just give a little curve, and then just got some buckles here. Okay, and then finally for some little detail here, so in the middle, and then we're gonna curve down, just slant down, let's give a little V shape here, and then go up. So I'm just drawing both sides the same, and then small little line, come down, and just V shape all the way out, or just slant it straight out. We'll add in a little bit of detail here. And that is it for this Royal Knight skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.